Yes, Mazda crew, back once again with another video, and today I'm going to talk about a couple of little bits I received in the post. Yes, Mazda crew, back once again with another video. So this is from amigakit.co.uk, and this is basically a compact flash to PCMIA adapter. I've got to say, they took a little bit of time to ship it, but you know, as I say, good things come to those who wait. This is a nice little bit of kit here. You basically put your compact flash card into this PCMIA port like that, and then stick it into your Amiga, and you can transfer files to this via your PC, laptop, whatever. I guess if your laptop's got a PCMIA port, you use that, but I'm going to use one of one of those card readers and hopefully just dump that on there. I'm not sure what format, PC DOS, but it comes with full instructions. I'm going to give that a go. It also comes with a disc. This is, I don't even, oh, this is for the Amiga 1200 and Amiga 600. So this is a cool little kit, which I'm going to be using to transfer files, because somebody sent me a link to Optimed 4, I believe, or Optimed 3, one of the two, and I downloaded it, and it was like an ADF file, and unless you're running an emulator, there's not really much you can do with it. And I looked online, found some really cool stuff, and some of the sort of transformations, or some of the instructions to transfer from Amiga to from PC to Amiga were a little bit tricky for me, but this looked like the most easiest option, is just to grab that and do, you know, what I just said earlier with it. So check out amigakit.com, which is looking cool. That's pretty much it for that. Also, still waiting on my Chicken Systems translator to arrive. It's been like 10 days plus. I haven't seen it, so they said, I've emailed them and they said something about they've got NARM on, and due to the NARM there's a delay on delivery. So I'm still waiting on that, because I need to have they do give you a temporary license, but I'm waiting to have my license for the Apple Macintosh, which is proving, because I want, basically what I want to do is use it on two computers, PC and Mac. Yeah, so basically the license on there anyway is for one machine. They give you a temporary license for one machine, and until you get your box version, you can't install it, which onto any other machines, and which means that once you get the box, you can install as many machines as you like, but you've got to wait for the bleeding box to come in the post. They don't give you a full access download version through email. So at the moment I've got it installed on my funky PC, the one that my Gigabyte PC, the one that I've made up. Also, Recycle, that's another one I wanted to touch on, guys. Recycle 1.6, 1.7, I believe, 1.8, 1.9, up to 2.0, I believe, or 2.2. do not work, they're the only versions that work with external samplers. And since 2.0, they've just completely wiped off external samplers. Now, I contacted Renoise, I contacted Reason, I contacted Propellerheads, and Propellerheads said to me that they stopped support for it. They didn't have any downloads for me, because I was interested in buying a version. They didn't have any downloads for me to buy or download, you know, and I just wanted, like, I believe either 2.0, but I'm thinking more like 1.6 to 2.0. Whether they'll run on Windows 7, I don't know if any of you guys out there got it and know whether it runs on Windows 7. That'd be great to let me know. And also, I might have to run some sort of emulator, like a Windows not XP emulator or something like that. But anyway, let me know what you've got out there, what versions of Recycle, if anyone's got it working on Windows 7 with an external sampler, because that's the next phase now, is for me to get a break so I can sample it, recycle it, show you guys how I used to do it, you know, show you guys how it's done. And that is pretty much it for this video today. I'm going to keep all the videos short and sweet, because it just makes them easier to upload. So with that being said, please comment down below, let me know what's going on, and I will be picking out a lucky winner in a forthcoming video. Also, my Junglist 40s varsity jackets are literally just landed, so they're on a samploids.co.uk, and we've also decided to do a Junglist 30s and a Junglist 20s. because I figured just in case someone else tries to jump on that bandwagon there, or just in case someone else tries to think of it, because I've noticed that there's a lot of people on different things out there right now, and like, I just wanted to just make sure that I claim that corner, because I thought that idea up from scratch, and I was trying to just make sure that I hold that corner. Junglist 30s, 40s and 20s, yeah, mainly the Junglist 40s to commemorate I'm in my 40s. Going to be Junglist 50s coming up next, so look out for that one. Got another few years to go on there, but I'm sure there's some Junglist 50s out there. Not calling no names. Bong Selector, big up your chest, bruv. Yeah, and that's it, peeps. That's it for today.
Take care. God bless.
Peace.